folks, I have a beautiful tenor to show you today. This is for a customer named Jen, who I got to have a long conversation with this spring about the woods for her instrument. And it was really cool to hear the reasons and stories behind all these different choices. It was really fun. And anyway, yeah, it's a tenor. The back and sides are spalted maple, a little bit of curl in it. This came from our friend Libby's house up by Bellingham, Washington. Just amazing color in that spalted maple. The top is Juniper from Eastern Oregon, and it's just a one-piece asymmetrical top, which I love. A big, beautiful, knotty branch right there. It's got a fir neck. Then this is all walnut, and she asked for a sun, and so I inlaid the little round part, and Nicole burned the rest. And then walnut binding with a little bit of bird's foot purfling on the top there, and we found some in there too. And juniper is a good softwood for an instrument. Not as loud as spruce, but not as dark as cedar. It's kind of a good in the middle. It's got a good poppy sound, I think. Yeah, great voice on this one. And you can always smell the juniper whenever you want, which I really appreciate. So, yeah, this is my first June instrument for this year. I'm really proud of it. It's number 909. Cheers.